How to watch Telegram videos in-app without using TeraBox. Tired of clicking a video link on Telegram only to be forced into downloading TeraBox or sitting through a dozen ads? It's frustrating, it's slow, and it ruins the experience. But what if you could watch those videos directly inside Telegram's own player? Today, I'm going to show you how to bypass the redirect and stream your content instantly. Many Telegram channels use TeraBox links to save space, but you don't actually need the TeraBox app to watch them. In this video, we're covering 3 legitimate ways to keep your viewing experience strictly inside Telegram. We'll look at built-in settings, search hacks, and the safest mirror bots available right now. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure Telegram is ready to play files as they download. Go to your settings, tap Data and Storage, and ensure Stream Videos and Audio Files is turned on. This is crucial for watching large files without waiting for a full download. Once this is enabled, Telegram acts more like a streaming service and less like a file manager. The most effective way to handle an actual TeraBox link is using a link to video bot. Simply search for a reputable TeraBox downloader bot on Telegram. Copy your TeraBox link, paste it into the bot's chat, and wait a few seconds. The bot will fetch the file from the cloud and send it back to you as a native Telegram video file. Now, you can just tap the play icon and watch it right there without ever leaving the chat. Many people also don't realize that the video they want is often already uploaded as a direct file in other channels. Before clicking a suspicious TeraBox link, try searching the exact name of the video in the global search bar at the top of your app. Look for results that show a video duration or a file size. These are direct uploads that play instantly without any third-party websites. Here is an expert tip for you. If you absolutely must click a link, go to your chat settings and toggle the in-app browser to on. This keeps the web session confined within Telegram's environment, which often helps block the aggressive redirects that try to force you into the Google Play Store or App Store. And that's it. No extra apps, no storage full of unnecessary data, just your videos playing where they belong. If this helped you save some time and storage space, hit that like button and subscribe for more Telegram tips. If you have a favorite bot that's working right now, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.